This may be the first MKBHD Adam shoe in Australia. Well, shoes. And I'm gonna be unboxing them. Hey, what's up? I'm Ellie Awesome, and I can't take credit for this purchase. My bestie Michael bought them. Very expensive shipping. This is gonna be my first look at the MKBHD shoe. Marquez, I did want to support you, but I didn't have to because Michael did it. So these are not my size, but I'm still gonna try them on. Ooh. You know what? It looks just like it does in the videos. Oh, okay. No one was lying about the lightweight vibe. That is wild. But is it good? Don't know yet. So we got one shoe, we got two. It kind of reminds me of like a paint smell. It's nice though. New shoe, V paint. Now, I think these are size 11, is that right, Michael?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I'm a size 7, so they're a little on the large. That's okay. So what I was pretty excited about were the elastic laces, because I honestly, if Velcro shoes were cool, like Macklemore says, I would be rocking those. So not having to do up your laces necessarily is kind of a vibe. Like, I guess just tie them up, slip them behind the tongue, and then pop them on and off. And they are stretchy. That's kind of cool. Okay. I'm not a shoe reviewer. They do look good, and the material, it feels like it's probably pretty robust and like durable, so that's a vibe. I think I've just got to go straight to putting them on. All right, so we got a little bit of a, it's a good. They're gonna be so big for me. Oh, you can't see. Ooh, they're out of frame, baby. Hey, should we zoom in? Wait, or should we just do B-roll? So usually my shoe would go to about there, but it doesn't matter. That is still pretty vibesy. Like, let's go. Oh, that's really spongy. How are the other ones going, by the way? Michael, come and pop your shoe in. Michael also splurged on some other Adams.
I needed lots of shoes, so these are the non-MKBHD shoes, which have a lot of similarities. We've got the elastic laces.
They're pretty sleek.
You can hear the elastic. Ready?
Thought I'd better come back with the mic. Oh, how have you found them?
I like them because I can treat them like slip-ons, and I hate doing I just undid them accidentally. Otherwise, I've just been putting them on and off, but they're very like innocuous, whereas these are a little bit more showboaty.
Yeah, well, I'm a fan of high tops, so immediately interested. Oh yeah. Whoa. They're some of the most spongy shoes I've ever worn, and I am very much like someone that looks for squishy, bouncy, cushiony shoes. So this is really impressive. I guess when you like walk around or something. All right, what if I tie up this shoe and leave the other one tucked? Oh, I don't know about it. How does he wear? He definitely doesn't like tie them up, right?
He's got them like this.
What?
This is him.
Oh shit. Oh, he tucks them in that shot.
Both.
It's like up to you.
Yeah.
He styled them both ways. I'm definitely feeling the tucked laces, but I also don't mind the like bow. It's kind of a vibe. That's cool. Like, it's so spongy and stretchy. It's like I'm walking on the moon. It's not too much noise. That's a vibe. These are actually like good shoes, you know, when you're a camo and you're filming and you don't want to be like making noise while you're filming people. Like, that's kind of cool. For the most part, like when you lift your foot off the ground, it doesn't feel like you're wearing much at all, which is pretty amazing. Are you going to try them on?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Because I guess they're theoretically my size, right?
Yeah. All right, trades. Oh,
Yeah.
you look good.
Yeah, okay. They fit well, which is good. Always risky buying
I'll
shoes
trade
online.
places with you just in case the lighting's
Yeah.
better. Hey.
So, yeah, I think-
Dude, you look good.
I'm so used to always spending basically no money on shoes and then replacing them like very frequently. Plan with actually buying proper shoes is that, you know, they last for a while. And as you were saying, they feel like they're not going to fall apart quickly. Like, you know, sometimes you put shoes on and these are light, but they don't feel flimsy.
Yeah, totally.
I think is kind of the vibe. Watch out.
I think you're rocking them.
Okay, well, this is good. This is the confidence boost I need.
It's a shame we're just in this dingy hotel room, like no natural light on these babies, but we're doing our best. Give me a walk, Michael.
What
Towards
you?
Yep. Am I gonna run into the wall?
You're actually doing a
I'll follow you.
Towards me, yeah.
Yeah. No, don't walk backwards. Turn around.
Oh, sorry. That makes more sense.
Yes, there you go. I've never made a shoe review or demo, but yes.
That is actually my favorite kicking shoes. Look at that.
It's not bad, Michael.
Great. Previous other shoes, you're only get about this much height. Specials.
Oh, snap.
So, strong recommend.
Nice. That's Marquez's signature then? That's pretty dope. Oh.
I'm going to forge so many checks.
The proud face on it. It's a big move to make a shoe when people are so hardcore about brands and like having the brand, like, Nike, however you want to say it. I hope Marquez has enough street cred to make these popular because I think they look good. So if we can have a tech YouTuber make a shoe that has street cred, that's pretty cool.
I didn't
That'd
buy
be sick.
them just for Marquez. I would have been happy without that name. I think they feel worth that regardless, you know what I mean? Which I think is a good sign.
That's a vibe. I agree. I would wear these regardless of the name, but you can definitely feel that like Marquez made them and had like his vibe through it, so that's pretty sick. Well, Marquez, you didn't send them to me, but I still think they're great.
Sorry.
I can't put that in. If Marquez and I didn't go way back, even though we're only really acquaintances, I don't know if I could get away with that. Anyway, Marquez, I love the shoe. I haven't worn them for more than 5 minutes, but so far, I love the vibe. They look sick. And congratulations and well done on all your hard work. We just want to say from Australia, we can't wait to see more on the street. These are an awesome pair of sneakers. So thanks for watching. What does Marquez say when he ends his videos? Doesn't matter. This is my video. Bye-bye.